Okay, so you have started working with simple machines in class, and we may or may not have gotten through all of the simple machines that we're going to practice with in class. But I want you to go ahead to start thinking about your compound machine. So it says, how will you and your team create a compound machine? That is the challenge. We will use the design process to guide your creation, and you may use what you created in activities in your previous activities. So you can use the simple machines you've already created to create a compound machine, which is two or more simple machines together out of some new simple machines that your team designed. So you can either just create new simple machines or you can use the ones you already have. The procedure below is to guide you and your team's thinking to work to a successful activity conclusion. So there is an individual part of this where you make your own design, and then you come together as a team and kind of look at each other's designs and discuss it. So I'm going to have you do your own design at home. That way, when you come in as a team, you guys can discuss it. You will turn this into me. You will turn your design into me. Okay? So here are your instructions. You are going to sketch an idea that you came up with on a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be in your launch log. Your team members should do the same with their ideas on their piece of paper. And all ideas do not need to be the same. So I don't think I'm going to have an issue with all the ideas being the same because you guys are doing them at home. When you come to class tomorrow after we finish working with our other simple machines, you will compare your sketch with your team members' sketches. Okay, and then you guys will discuss all the different sketches. You'll answer the 3 questions, and then you will label each type of machine. And here's what I want, guys. I want you to go ahead and label the simple machines in your original project. In your design. So what you're going to do tonight is I want you to design a device that will lift or save a tiger to come out of a ravine. And when I say design, I mean just think it up and draw it on paper. We don't have to come to class tomorrow with a built device. That's not what I want at all. I just want you to draw it on paper, and I want you to label the simple machines that you use. You have to use at least 2, but you can use more. Okay? And then you are going to discuss those with your group, but you are going to turn those into me for a grade. You are going to turn those designs into me for a grade. So that is what you need to do tonight. If you don't have that with tomorrow, it's going to take your design out of the whole process, because you're not going to be able to share with your group what your design is. You're going to have to be at the at-home center doing it on your own, and by that time your group may have already made a decision on what they want to do, and I'm going to let them go with that decision because you didn't have your at-home done. So it's very important tonight that you get this done so that we use it, so you can have some input on your group decision tomorrow. Again, this is what we're going to bring. A picture of your compound machine, which is 2 or more simple machines that you've designed to lift your lion out of the moat or the ravine. In the picture, it needs to be labeled. You need to label your simple machines. Okay?